Magandang umaga mga fellow RF engineer at sa mga aspiring people na gustong tahaki ng landas ng RF engineering dito sa Pilipinas. So, here's your host, the RF guy for RF engineering, the beginner's guide. Okay. So previously, pinag-usapan natin yung mga frequency bands sa 900 MHz at 1800 MHz. So right now, pag-uusapan naman natin yung isang frequency band dito sa Pilipinas na ginagamit din, which is the 2100 MHz band. So, yan. So just a quick review on the 2100 MHz band history. Una itong ginamit sa Pilipinas for transmission purposes, sa mga microwave transmissions, long-haul microwave transmissions. Dahil sa mababang frequency nito, ito ay gamit dati sa 2.1 GHz na transmission facility. And then when 3G came here in the Philippines, nireallocate yung frequency band na to from the transmission going to the cellular industry, no? So pinalipat yung mga transmission facilities and then pinagamit dito sa mga operators para magamit sa ating 3G system. Okay, so ano bang frequency band ng 2100 MHz? Okay, so 2100 MHz ginagamit natin din ito sa FDD, mode of operation, frequency division duplex. So meron tayong uplink at downlink. So our uplink frequency starts from 1920 MHz or 1.9 gig up to 1980 MHz. Now the gap between them is 130 MHz. Ang laki, no? Ang laki ng gap ng uplink and downlink. And then the downlink frequency starts from the 2110 to 2170. So previously, ang isang channel ng 3G is 5 MHz ang isa. So if we divide the 60 MHz into 5, meron tayong 12 channels na ginagamit na inallocate ng NTC para gamitin dito sa Pilipinas. So one frequency, one channel sa 3G is equivalent to 5 MHz. Ayan. So just a review for the technology. Itong palang 2100s ngayon ay ginagamit na for LTE and UMTS, no? So for UMTS, ang tawag natin sa handset is the user equipment, and transceiver naman dito, ang tawag natin ay node B. While for LTE system, ang tawag natin pa rin ay user equipment, and this one will be E-node B or the Evolve node B. Yan. So that's it for the 2100 MHz band. So simple lang ang paggamit natin sa 2100 MHz band. First, it is a 60 MHz uplink and downlink, and then we have a 190 duplex spacing. It is used for 3G and it's used now for LTE. Okay, so that's it. So if you have any more questions about this topic, just email us at rfengineerphilippines@gmail.com or like us on Facebook at rfengineerph. So that's it for today, and I'll see you again in the RF Engineering, the Beginner's Guide.